These are the Virunga Mountains, part of a series of dormant volcanoes which form the Volcano National Park here in Rwanda. On the other side of these mountains is the Congo and Uganda, and these form the home for the mountain gorillas. So this is a jungle path, pretty steep, used by buffaloes and people. And I think we're about an hour away from the gorillas. The trackers go ahead and find them, then we have to find the trackers. The trackers have found some gorillas, but they're in the middle of a dense area of forest. So it looks like we have to carve our way through. So they've just hacked a hole through here. Yeah, okay. Alex is wishing he hadn't got his bag. I think we'll just turn off for a second. So we've hacked through there. We've arrived at the little clearing. They've told us to leave our sticks and our bags and our water because the gorillas are just there in the trees. If you look carefully, you might see a little fella in the middle. Okay, so the question is, how close do we get to the gorillas or to the alpha male? The answer is this close. He's having a little sleep, he's dreaming. You can see his foot twitching. He isn't the slightest bit worried by us. Here, big fella. He's just picked something out of his toenail and is eating it. We're not that different, are we? Stay with me, she says. Stay with me. So these are mountain gorillas, not your lowland gorillas which you might see in zoos. These fellas don't survive in captivity. They eat 200 different varieties of feed up here which they don't seem to be able to recreate in the zoo. And this is the only place they live in the world. Bye-bye. Mother and baby gorilla feeding. So, Susie, what's the experience been like so far? He's just fallen over backwards. What's going on, little fella? This is a group of about 16 mountain gorillas. There's obviously a big silverback who we've seen earlier on. Hey, come to say hi. But there are 3 silverbacks. There's one dominant male. And the rule of the jungle is that the dominant male is the only one who can mate. Well, that wasn't very nice. Is the only one who can mate with the females. And if one of the other silverbacks gets tempted, or more importantly gets caught, all hell will break loose and he'll get a severe slapping or will be thrown out by the dominant alpha male. So we're now going in search of the rest of the family. I'm just hacking our way through. I can hear some grunting up ahead. Could be Sue, of course. Okay, so we've stumbled on the second silverback who's mating. Now the alpha male is asleep and he's having it away when he shouldn't be. And if the alpha male found out about it, he'd be in serious trouble. Oh my life. Absolutely amazing. All done, thank you. It's all very peaceful and gentle. Is this great? This little baby's about 6 months old. And very curious. Hello, little fella.
Look at these boys. Can you see?
This is the big daddy. I wonder if... Oh crikey, look how close he is. I wonder if he knows what's been going on in the bushes. Just walked right past us. And Sue's in bits. So we're cutting our way now through a gorilla track, and it's all kicking off over there. The little fella sat down here, another one just there, another one just walking in front of me here. I think the alpha male came this way. I just hope these trackers know what they're doing. They're absolutely everywhere. Okay. So here's Big Daddy. He's obviously been giving somebody a bit of a talking to. Gorillas in the mist. So we've left the gorillas behind, and now we've got a couple of hours trek back down again. Enjoy that?
Best thing ever.
And they are somewhere in that lot.